So now that we are convinced about the capability of NumPy, so let's understand technical details about the NumPy. First is NumPy is a foundation package of numeric computing in Python, and many other packages are built on top of NumPy. So Python has been hugely popular because of Python's ability to integrate with other languages like C, C++ or Fortran. Although Python is slower compared to compiled language like C, C++, Java, Python is able to connect with the C API library, and due to this, it provides a mechanism to combine the Python and the C APIs. So this combines the ability of two programming language. One is easier coding in Python and the second is a faster execution in the C or C++. So note that there are many functionalities of Python that can also be done in the Python, but with NumPy it is possible to execute the same functionality efficiently and in a much faster way without use of any looping operations. NumPy is basically short form of numeric Python, and it provides the data structures, algorithms that is used to process the numeric computing. It provides the ND array, that is multi-dimensional array, which is fast and flexible, and it can be used for a large data set. And we can clearly see the difference when we will work with a large data set, and I will show you one comparative result of execution of a large loop with and without NumPy, and we can clearly see the difference in time of their execution. Mathematical operation can be performed on arrays, for example addition or multiplication. Note that we can do everything without the use of for loop and without the use of any other looping operation in the NumPy. Now it is possible to save and load back the NumPy data in or from a file, but generally pandas are used to load and save the text data and tabular data, but NumPy can also be used for this. In NumPy, we can do many operations like creating a random number generation, performing linear algebra calculation, Fourier transform, etc. So as I have already told, NumPy is connected to C API, and that's why it provides the combination of easy coding in Python and faster and efficient execution in the C. Now let's understand some more technical details about the NumPy. So when working with multi-dimensional arrays, one important decision is that memory layout. One important decision is what memory layout we can use for storing the data and how to access such data in a more efficient manner. So NumPy stores data in the contiguous block of memory. So layout for multiple dimension array data are row major or column major. So NumPy provides the option of both row major and the column major storage. So we will see this also in one of our examples in NumPy. As NumPy is written in the C language, the library function can work on the memory without any overhead, and the NumPy basically takes lesser memory than Python built-in objects. And one more important thing is that NumPy can work on multi-dimensional array without need of any for loop. So when we will go through the example of NumPy, you will never see that we will be using any for loop to execute any operation on multi-dimensional array of NumPy.